Russia's S-300 air defense network had a problem it could not afford to ignore. Ukraine had found one of its command vehicles, the part of the system responsible for keeping radar information, communications, and air defense units connected. The target was exposed, watched from above, and already sitting inside a Ukrainian kill chain. Then the strike drone moved in. The Ukrainian unit behind the attack was Black Forest. First came the reconnaissance drone, keeping the Russian position under surveillance and tracking the command vehicle from the air. Once the target was identified, the strike phase began. ARAM-2X loitering munition moved toward the position and closed on the vehicle. Moments later, it slammed into the side of the command vehicle and detonated. The impact was immediate. The command vehicle was heavily damaged and engulfed in smoke and fire. What had been a functioning element of the Russian S-300 network was suddenly out of action. But the important part of this strike is not the explosion itself. It is the target Ukraine chose to destroy. The command vehicle is part of the S-300P/PM control system, where information from radar is received and processed before being passed through the network to the units responsible for engagement. That gives the vehicle a value far beyond its physical size. It is one of the links that allows the wider air defense system to operate as a coordinated network rather than as isolated launchers and sensors. And this is where the Ukrainian strike becomes strategically important. Destroying a launcher removes one firing platform. Hitting a command vehicle attacks the coordination behind multiple elements of the system. The radars may still be operating. Other launchers may still have missiles. But one of the command nodes that helps connect those elements has been knocked out. That does not mean the entire S-300 battery suddenly goes blind. It means Russia now has to compensate for a damaged part of the network, restore the lost command capability, and keep the remaining elements coordinated under battlefield pressure. For a modern air defense system, that disruption matters because speed and coordination are just as important as the missiles themselves. For Ukraine, this is exactly the kind of target that makes drone warfare so dangerous for Russian air defense. The reconnaissance drone finds the valuable asset. The attack drone delivers the strike. No fighter has to penetrate deep into the area. No large missile salvo is required. One exposed command vehicle can become the center of an entire operation. And Russia faces a difficult problem from here. The loss is not simply the vehicle itself. Specialized communications equipment, control systems, and trained personnel are all part of the capability that has now been disrupted. Replacing the platform does not instantly restore the function it provided. That is why this strike matters. Ukraine did not need to destroy every S-300 launcher in the area to create pressure. It went after a component that helped make those launchers effective as part of a network. One drone found it, one RAM-2X hit it, and one critical command element was taken out of the fight. Now the question is, how many more Russian air defense nodes can be found before they disappear from Ukrainian surveillance?